In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify email marketing flow with Klaviyo. We'll start inside your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to email automation. If your Shopify store is already connected to Klaviyo, you'll see data like profiles, recent events, and lists begin to populate. That data is what powers your automations, so make sure you can see recent activity before you proceed. From the dashboard, head to flows. Flows are automated sequences that send messages based on what your customers do, like viewing a product or running out of stock on an item they're tracking. Opening the flows section gives you a library of pre-built options as well as a way to build your own from scratch. Next, click Create Flow. Klaviyo offers a variety of recommended flows, and using a template is the fastest way to get a best practice structure that you can then tailor to your brand. You'll see categories based on different goals. Choose a flow based on your objective. For this walkthrough, select something in the Prevent Lost Sales category. These flows are designed to recover revenue you might otherwise miss, making them great starting points for most stores. Now select the Out of Stock option. This flow helps you notify subscribers when an item they care about is unavailable or when it comes back in stock. It's especially helpful for keeping demand warm and guiding customers to alternatives while they wait. Click to select a trigger, then add a list to the flow. The trigger is what starts the automation. For example, a product going out of stock or a customer joining a specific list. Adding the right list or segment ensures only the people who should receive these messages are included. If you're unsure, start with a high-intent list, such as shoppers who opted in on product pages. Choose Use Template. This loads the recommended structure into the editor with emails, delays, and logic already placed. Think of it as your blueprint. From here, customize the flow to match your Shopify strategy. Edit subject lines and preview text to clearly set expectations. Update email content with your brand voice. Add dynamic product blocks pulled from Shopify, and include helpful CTAs like Notify Me or Shop Similar items. Adjust time delays so messages feel timely, and add conditional splits to branch messages based on behavior, such as whether someone viewed the item again or made a purchase. When everything looks right, click Review and turn on, then Save. Double-check sending status to ensure it's live, not just in draft. After activation, monitor performance metrics like open rate, click rate, and conversions, and refine your timing, content, and filters as you learn. That's it. You've built a Shopify email marketing flow in Klaviyo, designed to prevent lost sales and keep your customers engaged.